everyone feed 7 of the dogs with. I'm only going to feed 7 and not all of them, which I normally only feed like 3 of them. So I'm feeding 7 today though. I finished all of my work early so that I could post for like half of the day today, because I feel like I don't post a lot anymore since I'm going through a lot of things right now. So first, let's move all of these stuffed animals. Next, I'm just gonna move these toys and this bed. So Oakley and Pixie are going to share this bowl because this bowl is pretty big. First, I'm going to give all of them the kibble. Now, I don't have enough of all of these things for it to be split among them evenly, so I'm just gonna split like all of this together. Stay, eat. Thank you all for watching. Bye.